What if I told you that you could have the most stunning front yard on your entire street, even if you have almost no time to spend on maintenance? Imagine driving home and seeing neighbors stop their cars just to admire what you've created. That's exactly what William Scott from Golden Age Gardening is about to show you. In just a few minutes, you'll discover 5 incredible plants that will completely transform your home's entrance while requiring minimal effort. These aren't just any plants. They're the secret weapons that professional landscapers use to create gorgeous outdoor spaces. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which varieties to choose, where to plant them, and how to keep them thriving year after year. Planning your front yard design. So, you've decided it's finally time to plan that front garden you've been thinking about for months. Maybe you're wondering where to start. Maybe you're concerned about the time commitment, or perhaps you're thinking about water bills and how to keep them reasonable during hot months. Whatever your situation, William Scott from Golden Age Gardening has the perfect solution waiting for you. The challenge most homeowners face is figuring out which plants will actually work for their specific conditions. There are literally thousands of options available at garden centers, and honestly, it can feel overwhelming trying to narrow down the choices. But here's what we've learned from years of gardening experience. The best plants are ones that don't demand constant attention. Before we dive deeper into these amazing plants, we'd love to have you join the Golden Age Gardening community. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss another gardening tip. And don't forget to like this video. Your support helps us create more detailed guides just like this one. Drop a comment below letting us know what you're hoping to plant in your front yard. We read every single one. And please share this video with anyone you know who wants a beautiful garden without all the stress. The magic of low-maintenance landscaping. Let's talk about what makes a plant truly low maintenance. Are you someone juggling a busy work schedule? Do you travel frequently? Are you hoping to reduce your water consumption? These are exactly the types of situations where William Scott recommends focusing on plants that are genuinely forgiving. Low-maintenance plants have a special quality about them. They're designed by nature to thrive with minimal intervention. Think of them as the reliable friends who don't need constant check-ins. These selections are happy to be somewhat neglected from time to time. You'll only need to tend to them periodically, and they'll reward you with consistent beauty throughout the seasons. The plants we're about to share with you have been tested in real gardens, on real homes, in real conditions. They've proven themselves year after year to be dependable choices for front yards across multiple climate zones.
Plant number 1, Boxwood, the architectural wonder. Our first recommendation is Boxwood, and William Scott considers this a cornerstone plant for any respectable front yard design. Boxwood has earned its reputation in landscaping circles for several compelling reasons. The primary advantage is its exceptional versatility in shaping. These plants respond beautifully to pruning and sculpting, allowing you to create formal geometric designs or organic flowing shapes, depending on your aesthetic preferences. The dense, fine-textured foliage of boxwood creates clean lines and structured forms that instantly elevate the appearance of your home's entrance. Many property owners use boxwood to frame doorways, define borders, or construct elegant hedges. You'll also see professional landscapers employing boxwood as low fencing alternatives and privacy screening solutions. What's particularly exciting is that dwarf varieties exist for homeowners with limited space. These compact versions deliver all the density and visual appeal of standard boxwood in a smaller package, making them ideal for narrow planting areas or smaller properties. Golden Age Gardening recommends checking the specific variety you select, as different types perform optimally in different climate zones. Most boxwood varieties flourish in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9, though some cultivars extend this range. This means whether you're in a colder northern region or a warmer southern area, there's a boxwood variety suited to your location. Once established, boxwood requires very little attention. Occasional pruning to maintain your desired shape is the main task, but the plant itself is remarkably resilient.
Plant number 2, Hosta, the foliage powerhouse. Next, William Scott wants to introduce you to Hosta, and this plant deserves serious consideration for your front yard project. Hosta grows in distinctive clumps, creating those wonderful, dense clusters of lush greenery that define quality landscaping. These plants produce absolutely magnificent large leaves with dramatic textures and varied patterns depending on the variety you choose. Your front yard will display rounded mounds of leafy splendor that look incredibly sophisticated.
Beyond the visual appeal, Hosta are remarkably functional. They work wonderfully as border plants, and many gardeners use them along the sides of planting beds to extend and define garden spaces. The result is a polished, intentional-looking landscape that appears professionally designed. Here's something William Scott loves about Hosta. They're genuinely simple to propagate. If you fall in love with a particular variety and want more of it, you can divide the plant and create new specimens absolutely free. This means your investment in Hosta multiplies naturally over time. The good news about hardiness is excellent. Hosta thrives throughout USDA hardiness zones 3 through 9, which covers most of North America. Whether you're gardening in a challenging cold climate or a warm zone, Hosta will likely succeed in your conditions. To get the absolute best results with your Hosta investment, William Scott recommends focusing on soil quality. These plants genuinely prefer rich, fertile soil that's been enriched with organic matter. Equally important is drainage. Hosta does not appreciate sitting in soggy conditions. Your soil should drain excess moisture effectively, preventing the soggy conditions that could lead to root problems. When conditions are right, Hosta develops stunning foliage with vibrant colors and interesting patterns that make them conversation starters in any garden setting.
Plant number 3, Black-Eyed Susan, the color specialist. For adding vibrant color to your front yard, William Scott from Golden Age Gardening strongly advocates for Black-Eyed Susan, and once you understand why, you'll completely agree. Imagine your front yard with those lovely low hedges and boxwood structures creating green architectural elements, and then imagine adding brilliant golden yellow flowers on top. Black-Eyed Susan provides exactly this effect. The plant creates a colorful flowering layer that sits beautifully above green shrub sections, producing a visual impact that's stunning from every angle and distance. This herbaceous perennial has earned its popularity for good reason. Black-Eyed Susan features distinctive daisy-like petals arranged in perfect circles around a rich, dark center. The contrast between the bright yellow outer petals and the nearly black center is what gives this plant its memorable name and visual punch. The flower color is consistently vibrant yellow, making it absolutely perfect for brightening any garden area that needs energy and visual excitement. If you have sections of your front yard that feel too green and muted, Black-Eyed Susan solves that problem completely. For optimal growing conditions, Black-Eyed Susan performs best in USDA hardiness zones 3 through 7. The plant requires well-draining soil and genuinely loves sunlight. Planted in locations that receive consistent direct sunshine for maximum flowering. The blooming season is primarily summer, which means these flowers add their brightness during warm months when you're most likely to be enjoying your outdoor spaces. William Scott recommends considering companion plants that bloom at different times of year. This strategy ensures your front yard maintains continuous visual interest and color throughout spring, summer, and fall. When Black-Eyed Susan finishes blooming in late summer, other flowers can take over and maintain that gorgeous garden appearance.
Plant number 4, Hydrangea, the volume creator. William Scott would never complete a list of essential front yard plants without including hydrangea, and you'll understand why immediately. Hydrangeas are genuinely among the most visually impressive plants available to homeowners. These shrubs create those spectacular cloud-like blooms that seem almost unreal in their beauty and size. The flowers feature soft pastel colors, think gentle blues, pinks, whites, and purples, that create an almost dreamy quality in the landscape. What makes hydrangea special is the sheer abundance of flowers. A single healthy plant produces dozens of large flower heads, creating significant visual volume and presence. These shrubs also develop dense, thick growth habits that add to their architectural contribution to the landscape. The color palette of hydrangea flowers is remarkably sophisticated. Unlike many flower choices that come in limited colors, hydrangeas offer numerous cultivars with different hue options. Some varieties actually change color based on soil pH, giving you even more creative possibilities.
Golden Age Gardening recommends hydrangea specifically for anyone living in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9 who wants to add substantial volume and presence to their front yard. These plants work beautifully as specimen plants, meaning they can be highlighted as focal points in your landscape design. Alternatively, group multiple hydrangeas together to create a flowering wall effect that's absolutely breathtaking. Hydrangeas do require some basic care, including regular watering during dry periods and occasional pruning to maintain their shape. However, William Scott considers them well worth the modest effort because the visual payoff is tremendous.
Plant number 5, Bougainvillea, the statement maker. Finally, William Scott from Golden Age Gardening cannot possibly conclude this discussion without featuring Bougainvillea, and he'll tell you why from personal experience. Bougainvillea is not a plant you include subtly. This is the plant you choose when you want to make a bold, undeniable statement. Bougainvillea creates brightness and drama that genuinely stops people in their tracks. William Scott has witnessed this effect firsthand. He remembers distinctly noticing a neighbor's front yard completely transformed by a mature bougainvillea in full bloom. The vibrant pink-red flowers were so striking that people, joggers, hikers, delivery personnel, would literally pause and stare. Visitors would comment on the stunning display. The plant's dense growth habit meant it was impossible to miss when approaching the house. That personal experience reinforced William Scott's conviction that Bougainvillea deserves prominent placement in front yard designs when conditions allow. The flowers come in bright pink, red, magenta, and other warm tones. The intensity of the color is almost electric. Bougainvillea's dense, full growth creates a shrub that commands attention. It fills space effectively and makes a powerful visual impact. For homeowners wanting something that's unquestionably bold and bright, Bougainvillea is the perfect choice. One consideration is that Bougainvillea prefers warm climates. It thrives best in areas with consistent warmth and abundant sunshine. If you live in a tropical or subtropical region or in a location with hot, sunny summers, Bougainvillea is absolutely perfect for your conditions. William Scott suggests that if you have the right climate for Bougainvillea, you absolutely should consider it. The plant is worth the investment based on the visual transformation it delivers.
Creating your front yard vision. Now that you've been introduced to these 5 exceptional plants by William Scott from Golden Age Gardening, it's time to think about your own front yard project. These selections work beautifully together in various combinations. You might create a foundation planting using Boxwood and Hosta, add height and structure with Hydrangea, incorporate yellow color with Black-Eyed Susan, and finish with Bougainvillea if your climate permits. The key is selecting plants that match your climate zone, your available sunlight, your soil conditions, and your willingness to perform basic maintenance. All 5 options discussed today are far more forgiving than many alternatives, making them excellent starting points for any gardener. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive guide from Golden Age Gardening. If this video helped you understand which plants might work for your front yard, please subscribe to our channel right now. We create new videos every week exploring different plants, landscaping techniques, and garden solutions. Like this video to show your support and help us reach other homeowners searching for these exact answers. Leave a comment below describing your front yard situation and which of these 5 plants excites you most. William Scott and the entire Golden Age Gardening team love reading your questions and feedback. Finally, share this video with your friends, family members, and anyone you know who's planning a front yard project. Help spread the word about these amazing low-maintenance options that create stunning results. We'll see you in the next Golden Age Gardening video. Happy gardening!